Right then, welcome back to the channel and what is probably going to be the last recorded video of 2023. So we thought now would be the perfect time to say a massive thank you to all our subscribers, everybody that's watched us videos over the last year, over the last 5 years or however long we've been doing these videos for. It is much appreciated. Obviously next year we're going to have plenty more to come, especially with this project. So not much has happened since we got the engine in the Amarok, but 2024 is going to be the year for the V12 Amarok build. Obviously we've got plenty happening with the race cars, a lot of development going on over winter to make sure they're good for next year. And then obviously the overland stuff, we've got all that going off as well, tubular bumpers for that. But obviously we're hoping that there's going to be a little bit more snow at the beginning of 2024 so we can get back out in those and have plenty of fun. But just thought we'd do a short little video and have a bit of a recap of the top 5 videos of 2023. So let's have a look at them and enjoy. Right then, bit of an unexpected video. It's snowing, but I've just had a phone call from my younger brother, Max, and he's just let me know that he's stuck in snow up Penistone.
Got a bit stuck.
What an absolute sausage.
I'll go steady. There we go. Why would somebody come up here in a Fiesta? Bit of a letdown.
On, he's off.
These are winter tyres.
And that's it, that's how we nick cars.
Yeti versus Transit, I'm not sure it's going to go too well, I'll be honest. Come on, he's going. There's an Arctic here we might be able to give a pull to.
Gonna try
pulling it up.
You are, I think you will.
We've got another one nearly
Fully
up.
loaded, yeah.
We can give it a go. You want a tug? New project time. A few weeks ago we decided we were going to get rid of the Yeti, which meant we needed a replacement. So we managed to drop on a very nice Amarok. This one isn't it. This is a new Amarok project. Start with the front, or the engine. It hasn't even got struts. 2 litre by TDI engine, pretty similar to the Transporter, but a lot better. They don't have the same EGR cooler problems, although by the looks of it, this has definitely had a new EGR cooler. Some bubbling on the bonnet, flat tyres, not much tread left on them all-terrains. Can't see us doing much off-roading with those. Yeah, this has seen better days as well. Looking at the photos on the Copart website, these were originally red and they said, I don't know, biohazard or hazardous or something like that. The back, I think at some point they must have had a pond in here. Look, fossils. And probably had a squirrel in here as well, some nuts. It's definitely been some wildlife activity going off around this truck. It's not bad, it's not bad. What are you laughing at?
Oh my god, that thing is dry.
Look at this, first turn at key. Look at this, 6-speed manual. It's disgusting this though, you feel mucky, already.
Oh, get me out, man, he's big.
Pressed hazards, and night alarm goes off. But if I bang it, it goes off.
Planet apes.
I'd like to say he's had too much sugar, but he's always like this.
Yeah. Oh man. This is off like an old...
No, that's his roll up.
I'd rather not have one. Oh yes, that's in there.
Oh.
That's in there.
Now look what you've done.
Right then, another V8 Q7 video, but most people are not at the point where the engine needs to come out. Because this is, because of the leaking seal, then why not go crazy? These are the turbos, so these are actually V12 turbos. Standard 332, can't remember whether this is a 325 or a 335, but anyway, it's there or thereabouts, 550 pounds-feet of torque. Nice spread, standard, really nice spread. More here, which is a bit odd. Usually you'd have everything here and it'd just drop off, but anyway. With our tune on there with standard turbos, 400 horsepower and just over 700 pounds of torque, which is pretty good. Really happy with that, and it did drive quite nice. James drove it and he liked it. And then with the big turbos, you can see we've lost a bit here, which is unfortunate, but when you've got this in sport and you put your foot down, it kicks down to probably 3 grand anyway. So, and the response is quite good. So we're now at probably 815, 820 pounds-feet of torque, which is ridiculous, and 513 horsepower, and it's still climbing to the end where it shifts. Sounds really good. Punch it. You've got to bear in mind, this is like, with me in it, knocking on 2.5 ton. It's not the lightest of things. Super responsive still.
Right then, another customer vlog. Full engine of this 4.2 V8 has got to come out. If you are a subscriber to the channel, you've probably seen this before. It sounds absolutely ridiculous. I think the word I used last time was mental, and I'm not sure how many times I used it. Mental, 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 mental. We have got these downpipes to replace the standard top halves. Again, the engine's got to come out to get to them, so we didn't do them last time. But to say how crazy this sounded last time, with the standard cat still in there, I've no idea what it's going to sound with these. We're here, it's finally time to hear what this straight through 4.2 V8 diesel sounds like. So let's start her up and give her a rev. Quite loud. Am I allowed to say mental in this video, Adam?
Once.
Once?
Yeah.
That sounds mental. That's bonkers.
That is bonkers.
Shall we get window down?
Yeah.
1 to cool us off and 2 to see what it sounds like. It's a little bit louder at window open. Right then, welcome back to the channel and another V12 Amarok video.
V12 engine, adapter plate, twin plate clutch, 6-speed manual gearbox. It's going to be rear wheel drive. It'll be Larry.
It's like a gearbox.
There, you're in. There.
Oh yeah.
It's on both now, isn't it?
It's in. It's going.
Oh. Give it a little wiggle.
Look at that. Look at that.
Straight up.
Twist it a little bit.
Yeah, send it. But it's on. Look at that. V12 manual. It's happening.
Today's job is to get that big old lump into that. I'm not going to say small space, but it could be bigger.
I shall assume a grinding position.
I feel like we need some dramatic music at this point.
Keep coming.
How confident are you, Aaron? What, 3% out of 100 or 3 out of 10? Oh,
That's it. Whatever you did there. Yeah,
yeah, a bit more, bit more. Oh,
it.
bit more. Whoa. Hey! Go on then, Paul, let's start up and go for a rip. She's in. There you have it, the video that you've all been waiting for many, many months, possibly years. But the V12 is in the Amarok, it fits. So there you have it. That was a little recap of the top 5 videos of 2023. Like we said, there's going to be plenty more where that came from in 2024. So if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next year.